Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton with another episode of Zodicatthefarm. It's so great to be back here with all of you. Just some general information as to why I've been gone for over a month. I actually lost my husband on the 29th of March, so that's been difficult. But I resigned myself to the fact that this is a passion of mine and I'm going to continue to do it. So without further ado, we're going to be working on this particular piece. It's a two-piece ensemble. So I've got this piece here, and then I've got this back piece, which is kind of a free-form flower, but I love it just because it has so many beautiful colors. And it's just an amazing piece. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how to make these garden glass flowers for your home or for your garden. So now we're going to move on to the cutting stage of this particular piece. Here's my stabilizer. Put that right over the top. I've marked my center, which will be right there. Okay, and I've got my water right here. I need to grab my gloves. Pretty set to go here. So again, I've marked my center with my black magic marker. And I'm just going to make sure that my bit is right where it needs to be. And this particular plate is a little off center, so I'm going to be real careful with this. I go right there. All right, so here we go. Pull this back. Okay, and there is the hole straight through. Okay, folks, I'm going to go ahead and take my bowl. I'm going to give it a really good cleaning. Grease and any residual pieces of glass that have remained on the piece. Just give it a nice, really beautiful cleaning. I hope y'all are doing well out there today. Okay, so we've got that piece, and then we've got this piece, which I'm going to give a good cleaning to as well. Okay, just like that. Okay folks, so now that we have finished the cutting portion of this particular video, I am going to go ahead and start the assembly. So here we go. I'm going to take my flower, put my washer there, push the toggle straight through just like that, and then stick it right there perfectly on the back of the flower. Then I'm going to carefully turn this over and place another washer right there just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to proceed to put my toggle on just like that. And I'm not going to take it all the way down. I'm not going to screw it all the way down, but enough just so that it'll grab this next piece. All right, so here's my next piece. I'm going to push that straight in just like that until I feel it click in. And I believe it has done that. So let me see. Yes, it is in. So I'm going to carefully turn this on its back. I'm going to carefully hold the other piece with my other hand. I'm going to make sure that my screwdriver is in the forward position. And all I'm going to do is simply proceed to tighten. Okay, and I let that slip out of my hand because I want to make sure that I don't break the glass. And then I'm just going to try and tighten if I can. Okay, let me turn it over. And let's see, that just looks so amazing. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Okay, so let me show you. And there we have this free-form flower. Isn't that absolutely amazing? I actually got this larger piece from Funky Junkies, which is a local place here in my area. And then this piece is actually a garden stake piece of glass. And then I'm going to turn it over and I'll show you the hook that I normally use. Isn't that amazing? The colors just go really well together. I absolutely love it. So now let me go ahead and show you, now that we've completed the assembly, let me show you what this looks like on a stand and an exterior stand. Stay with me. Okay, here's my stand that I normally use. So I'm going to take my stand and I'm going to set this piece right there on the stand. And let me back up so you can see it. Yeah, so there it is on the stand. And you can see it from the side. I think that looks amazing. This stand doesn't sit correctly with this particular piece because it's a free form. So I'm holding it from the rear, but I just wanted you to see the effect of what it would look like on a proper stand. Okay, let me turn it over here to the back so you can see it. All right, I think that came out absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so, all right, let me show you what it looks like on an outdoor stand. Hold on. So here's my pole. Got a hole in the top, the chair cover, and I'm just gonna push this straight down. Okay, there we got it. And here we go with the stand. Just like that. I'm going to turn it to the side. There's no sway at all, other than me swaying it. So yeah, so this is a piece. Highly unusual, but I mean, there's so many highly unusual flowers outside that I just think it looks amazing. So I hope you will agree. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this particular episode. If you have any questions, you can email me at www.zodicatthefarm.com, or you can list your questions in the comments section below. So if you're interested in purchasing these pieces, you can go to my website. It's www.zodicatthefarm.com. All right, I hope you have a blessed weekend and a blessed new week, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicath at the Farm. Many blessings sent your way. Take care. Bye-bye.